Hello students, let us start electronic configuration of D block elements. In this chapter, we will do the electronic configuration of 3D elements, 4D elements, 5D elements and 6D elements. For D block electronic configuration, we should consider two things. That most of the P block and S block elements, first of all, we make their configuration. Then after we start their particularly physical prediction of their physical and chemical properties. But in case of D block elements, it is just opposite. First of all, we will find the unpaired electrons. Means for the configuration, for making configuration of D block elements, first unpaired electrons has been find out. Then after we will start making the configuration, because it is find that experimentally most of the elements are paramagnetic or diamagnetic, but when we find their configuration, they are mostly just opposite behavior. It means it just become a problem that what was its solution. Then we will find the magnetic moment. Means the molecules have particularly magnetic moments. In same way the atoms, particularly the electrons also. Means we will find the magnetic moment of atoms first, then with the formula of mu is equal to under root n plus 2. With the help of this formula, we will find the magnetic moment. With the help of this magnetic moment, we will find number of unpaired electrons. If one time we will success in finding number of unpaired electron, definitely on the basis of this we will predict the magnetic behavior of D block elements, and on the basis of unpaired electrons we will find the electronic configuration. There is a classical example of such category is platinum. In platinum, it has atomic number 48. In 48 configuration, we will find the configuration D10 S1, means 4D10 5S0. You will find surprise how it is possible that 5S has 0 and D has 10 electrons. According to our Bohr rule, first S subset should be filled, then after D should be filled. But in this case, it has particularly diamagnetic nature, and on the basis of classical electronic configuration, when we find the electronic configuration of 48 platinum, we will find that it is paramagnetic. Means it is impossible to have diamagnetic behavior because it always has unpaired electron. But experimentally we will find that platinum has diamagnetic nature. Means I think it will be clear in your mind that DF configuration, first of all, we will find magnetic moment, and with the help of it we will find number of unpaired electron, and then on the basis of number of unpaired electron we will make the electronic configuration. Now we will discuss that the electronic configuration can be formed on the basis of missing terms. Means there are some certain numbers which are always missing. That is on left side. When we make the electronic configuration of 3D elements, the missing terms are 3D4 and 3D9. Now we will make the electronic configuration based on it. Let us see. The 3D elements are scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and G. These are the 3D elements. When we will find the electronic configuration, let us plot 4 years and then 3D. means inert gas is argon, then 4s, and finally 3. When we will make the configuration, accordingly we will fill the electrons in D subset first. Scandium, it has atomic number 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. In 3D, we will first fill the electrons in 3D series. The 3D series scandium has 1, 2, 3. 3D 4 is missing in this series. Now we will write here 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Then we write 10 and 10. These are the electronic configuration of 3D. Now we will fill the electron in 4D. Atomic number 21 and one element. Argon has 18 and 1, 19, and it is required 21 configuration. Then we will write 2 electrons in 4s. Scandium again 2, 18, 20. We require 22. Then 2. Vanadium 3, 18, 21. We will write 2. Now in this case of chromium 5, 18, 23 and we require 24. We will write here 1. In manganese we will write here 2. Then 2, 2, 2. And in case of copper 10 and 18, 28 and we require 29. We will write here 1. And in case of zinc we will write 2. In this way, if we remember the missing terms, means missing terms in this series are 3D4 and 3D. These are the missing terms. If you remember these missing terms, definitely you will get success in making electronic configuration of 3D series. The 2 electronic configurations are very important. These are asked as exceptions in class 11, exceptions of Boole law, that is chromium 24 and copper 29. These 2 elements have 1 electron in 4s subset and rest of the elements have 2 electrons in their subset. Means if you remember the missing terms, definitely you will get success in finding the electronic configuration of 3D series. On the same basis, we can make the electronic configuration of 4D series, 5D series and 6D series also. Let us see how. In 4D series, the elements are yttrium 39, zirconium 40, nibonium 41, molybdenum 42, technetium 43, rhenium 44, lithium 45, platinum 46, 47 and 48. These are the electronic configuration. Now we will make the configuration of these elements. First of all, we will write missing terms. Missing terms are 4D3, 4D6, 4D9. Means these elements have never these terms. Means 3 electrons, 6 electrons and 9 electrons. These terms will not be used in electronic configuration of this series. Let us see. The inert gas is krypton 36 and we will write 5s then 4. First of all, we will make their margins so that we will be capable to write their electrons in their columns. Let us start. First of all, in 4D series, 1 electron, 2 electron, 3 is missing. We will write 4, 5, 5, 6, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing. We will write 10, 10 and 10. Now we will write the electrons in 5s. 39 required, 36 and 1, 37. Remaining is 2. We will write in 5s form. Zirconium again 2. Now we will see 4, 36, 40 will require 41. Means 1. 5, 36, 41 will require 42. Means again 1. 5, 36 will require 41 and 43 will write here. 7 again 7, 42 will require 44. 2. Again 2. Now we write in platinum, which I discussed in last previous that platinum has a lot of exceptions. 10, 36, 46 and we require the term 46. Means there are 0 electrons in 5s in case of platinum. Again we will see silver Ag that has the atomic number 47. 10, 46 is 1 and in case of cadmium there is 2. The most important electronic configuration here is that is platinum and silver. In case of platinum, we will see here 5s has 0 electrons, in 4D it has 10 electrons. It is diamagnetic in nature. If you think that no, we will have to 1 and 9. Definitely it will be paramagnetic in nature. If you to see 2 and 8, again it will be paramagnetic. There is only one configuration which can make platinum diamagnetic, that is 5s 0 and 4d 10. These are the two electronic configuration of series 4d and 5d. We will discuss the electronic configuration of 5D and 6D series in next video.